Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we take a look at this Lippert 12 volt Flo Max RV fresh water pump with the 3 gallon per minute flow. Now this is a motorized water pump, provides a nice consistent flow of fresh water to your RV or your camper, and this can be used as a direct replacement for any OEM RV or marine pump. As we mentioned, the flow on this is 3 gallons per minute. It is a self-priming design, so it does eliminate any air binding by removing air from the pipeline. And the unit is capable of up to 6 feet vertical prime and 30 feet horizontal priming. It does use a nice heavy-duty corrosion-resistant motor that has ball bearings for a nice long life, so it provides a nice quiet, disturbance-free operation, and it can even run dry without causing any damage. It does use an integrated thermal breaker, protects the motor from overheating. The breaker will automatically reset when the temperature drops. And they do use an internal check valve in it to prevent backflow contamination of your clean water supply. If you can see right here on each side, they have a 1/2 inch diameter hose fitting at the inlet and outlet ports. And it does come with these 2 swivel high pressure fittings that use tapered seals for a nice watertight connection. So basically you put one on your outlet right over here. And it does include this strainer, which will stop the bugs and debris from entering the pump. And you'll install that on the inlet side, just like that. And then you'll put this on the other end. And you'll have your connection set up just like that. It does use rubber feet on the bottom, which are flexible to reduce any excessive vibration and noise. And it is an enclosed housing with sealed switches, which will block moisture from getting in. Electrocoating finish resists the effects of rain and other elements. It is a bolt-on installation. You can bolt it in any position, either above, below, or at the same level as your water tank. And the hardware to install this is not included. You would have to supply that. It is a 2-wire configuration. You can see the red wire, which is for a positive lead, black for your negative lead. And they do have it does require a 15 amp switch and a 10 amp fuse, which is not included. It is NSF and CSA certified. A few specs on this. We mentioned the voltage, 12 volts DC, maximum power draw of 9.5 amps. Shutoff pressure is 50 psi. Run time on this motor is 5 minutes on, 10 minutes off. And the maximum water temperature is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It does come with a nice set of instructions that will describe how it all goes together and how it operates. Last thing I want to do is just give you some dimensions on this. And I'm going to give you dimensions without the fittings attached. So basically we'll have the overall length from the very back here to the very front. If we put a ruler on that, you can see it's going to be right at 8 inches long. The width, which would be right here where your connections are, it's about 5 1/4 inches wide. And your overall height to the highest point is 5 inches tall. The mounting base, or the rubber feet right here, you can see is going to be right at about 3 3/4 inches that way, by about 4 1/4 inches that way. But that should do it for the review on the Lippert 12 volt Flo Max RV freshwater pump with the 3 gallons per minute flow.